My name is Ms. Campbell, and I'm here to show you a way that you can discuss and celebrate the life of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Now, he was most famous for his speech, I Have a Dream. And in that speech, he said, I have a dream that my 4 children will one day live in a nation where they are not judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Now, this activity works well with lower elementary grade students. And what you can do is you can have 3 eggs that are all different shades and colors, and you can engage in a discussion with them about how this represents people. So people are all different shades and colors. And you want to emphasize that Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. wanted us to not judge people by the way that they look. Because once you crack all of the eggs open, your class will see that they're all the same on the inside. And it's really important to engage your class in a discussion that's true and honest about why it's so important to live in a world where people are treating each other kindly and not treating others differently based on the color of their skin. Now, as teachers, it's our job to ensure that we are teaching our scholars the correct way to be compassionate and kind to others. And it's important for us to teach them about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. because he was that person in history who tried to make a difference and who did have a huge impact on our nation. And just really share his dream and discuss why it's so important to live out that dream.